The U.S. Supreme Court rules against a foreign national and clarifies certain rules.
This is Dr. David Schein, and welcome to Business Law 101.
So in 2010, Sandra, a legal U.S. citizen, married Luis, who apparently was here illegally. She applied with the Federal Citizenship and Immigration Service, CIS, to get an immigrant visa for him. However, to get that visa, he had to apply from his home country pursuant to the rules. So he returned to El Salvador and reported to the U.S. Embassy. The consular officer, who is a commissioned foreign service officer in the State Department, interviewed Luis and ruled that he was ineligible for a visa per U.S. law. The reason, pretty interesting, was that he reportedly was a member of the gang MS-13, very bad gang. This was based on specific tattoos that he has. So Sandra sued the federal government on the basis that she was being denied her Fifth Amendment rights since she was being deprived of liberty without due process. The U.S. Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals in California ruled that the State Department had to provide Sandra an explanation for denying her husband a visa. However, the fight was not over. The State Department, in this case, appealed to the U.S. Supreme Court, also known as SCOTUS. SCOTUS overturned the Ninth Circuit and ruled that the U.S. citizen can't force a court to review a consular officer's decision that was made abroad. The concept behind the ruling is quite interesting. A U.S. citizen has no legal interest in the visa application of a third party, even a relative. So there was no constitutional right to bring a non-citizen spouse to the United States. All foreign nationals, even alien spouses, must qualify for a visa under U.S. law to come here, is the effect of this ruling. From a business perspective, if every consular officer's decision overseas could be subject to court review in the United States, the currently already overwhelmed immigration system would be even further underwater. This is Dr. David D. Schein for Business Law 101. If you've enjoyed this episode, please subscribe on your favorite platform.